Hey guys, it's your girl Ny'Ree and we are back with another video. So today what we are going to be doing is a product review, as you can tell by the caption and the thumbnail. So where did I put my product? So we are actually going to be reviewing the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. And this is what it looks like. It says that it's a shaping and setting gel. It's 100% set and control brow hairs. People did reviews on this before. I'm just gonna tell you my honest opinion, as I always do. So let's go ahead and try it. I'm just gonna take my spoolie. I'm gonna straighten my brows. Let me grab my mirror. Just make sure that everything is straightened out to my liking. Alright, so that's that. So this is how it looks. You take it out the package. It's plastic. And I got the small kind because, you know. So this is how it looks here. And it has a little small endings on it. It's like, it looks like one side is like wider and longer than the other. So I'm just gonna figure out what side works best for me, I'm guessing, or what side does what, comparing, you know. So let's just start. This is so cooling and refreshing. I don't know what it is about this, but this junk feels good, you hear me? So I'm doing both sides just to get a feel of, like, you know, what is really going on here. I feel like this is doing its job. It looks cute. It looks real cute. Okay, so let's do the other brow. Let me open that message before they start messing up the video. Yeah, I feel like this is doing what it's supposed to do, y'all. Like, for real. And it feels good. It's not sticky. It's not tacky. It's just going on. It's just flowing, y'all. I love this stuff. This feels so good. Comment down below if you want me to do a comparison between the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit and the Anastasia brow freeze, because I will definitely do a video like that if y'all want me to. This feels so good, and it makes my freaking eyebrows look so like I just got them freaking done. Like, girl, this feels so good. Like, I got some little loose hairs, it's a little long. But look at that. Hey girl. Okay. That looks good. Okay, so I guess, what do the directions say? What do I do now? Cause I mean, dang, do I let it dry? Like, I'm probably just gonna wait about a few seconds for it to dry like this, and, you know, kind of see what happened is it looked good though, y'all. And then I'm gonna put on my brows. I'm gonna do my brows on camera, and then I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel like it holds up when you do your eyebrows. So I'm gonna be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. And I just read, so yeah girl. Let me just start my freaking brows because I don't have time to be sitting here not doing my brows usually. So let's start at the bottom like I always do. And like I said, I'm gonna tell y'all how I feel like it's holding up. So far, so good. Like, no, for real, I'm not even playing. I'm not even playing, y'all. I'm not even kidding. Like they said, you can really wear this by itself because honestly, I feel like my brows really did look good even before putting this on. So I feel like you could possibly wear this by itself. No, for real, y'all, my brow is like really staying the shape that I needed to stay in order to get this. That's why they be using this, because girl, this junk is really doing what it's supposed to be doing, for real. I usually wet my I don't know why I'm not wetting it. What am I doing? Am I in the way? I'm tripping. Y'all, I really feel like this just made me do my brows better. I legit feel like this just made me do my brows better. What? Like, it really helped me keep the outline in my brows. Like, this helps you to line your brows. Like, no, like, I'm so for real. I feel like if you're a beginner and you feel like you know what you want your eyebrows to look like and you can't really get them the shape that you want them to get with just the pomade, use the spoolie, straighten your brows out, put the gel on there, this brow gel on there, use the Benefit 24-hour setter, brow setter, whatever you want to call it. Use that and it'll make your, like, it'll give you the perfect outline. Like, you know, I didn't do really good here because I didn't wet this, so I'm getting ready to wet it. Oh my god, this really is setting it off, y'all. Like, oops. Don't be like me, y'all. Don't be like me, I messed up. I don't know how I just did that. But y'all know we gonna clean it up, right? About this, like, this is really a nice product. Like, I really like that they even came out with something like this. Like, I really like that this is actually a thing. Like, y'all know how hard it is to get your brows like the shape y'all want it to be with just the pomade, like by itself. Like that junk is hard, and like with this product it actually helps. Like it really helps. So I always go here and like get the little line away in the front, just because I don't want you to, I mean, who wants to see that line right there? So boom, we did that. I really like how the brow set with an angled brush. And then I'm gonna use this Too Faced peach concealer. It's a matte concealer, so if y'all can see that. It's called Honeycomb, and it says it's instant coverage. I don't use it for anything other than under my eyebrows, because I just feel like matte concealers are not for me because my skin is dry already. I just use it for like a highlighting shade. Makes my brows look so much better. Okay, so y'all know I take my little Sephora airbrush concealer brush, and I'm just going to buff everything out around my brows to give it a nice smooth finish. Like so. You know, I want that highlight to stay right there, but I don't want it to look harsh. So we're just gonna go in a sweeping motion like how we did with our eyeshadow and be done. So yeah, this is how my eyebrows look. On a scale from 1 to 10, how would I rate the brow setter? I would rate it a 10 because it really did give me a guide on how, you know, how I envision my eyebrows to look in the beginning, and it gave me a guide of like where to put mine. And leave a comment down below if y'all feel like I should do comparison or who's better video as far as the Benefit 24-hour brow setter and then the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow freeze. So just let me know if y'all want me to do a what's better, or you know, yeah, so see you in the next video.